Gain knowledge through reading. Harriet Tubman. Harriet Tubman was a former slave who helped free over 300 slaves and fought for equal rights for African Americans and women. She was born in the 1820s. Having been born a slave, she was unable to read and write. She escaped slavery alone and she wanted to help other people escape. She risked her life as a conductor in the Underground Railway. She helped slaves to escape to freedom. She was the first woman in American history to lead a military expedition to save slaves. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.